Hi, Steve here from Bookkeeping Life. Today I want to talk about 3 ways to gain experience as a new bookkeeper. So there are many ways you can gain experience, but just to cover 3 of them. The first one I would say is that you could take the QuickBooks certification course. It's free after you sign up as a QuickBooks Online for Accountants version. It's actually free, and you can get certified. And I've always questioned the value of the actual certification. It doesn't hurt. It definitely can't hurt to get it, but whether or not it's really valuable, it's kind of questionable to me, whether or not it'll actually give you clients. But the education that taking the actual course, which again is free, is very valuable and very useful. They have so QuickBooks is made by Intuit, and so Intuit provides a lot of great courses in lots of different areas that you can take for free. So because they want you to be a good bookkeeper, they want you to do well so that you get a lot of clients, so that you use their services, and when your clients get an online account, they pay for it, so Intuit makes money that way. So that's why they supply all these good videos. And like I said, that comes for free if you sign up for the QuickBooks Online for Accountants version. Okay, which I explain and we cover and teach you in my course. So the second thing is to do your own bookkeeping for your own home. So you have probably bank accounts, credit cards, possibly. So you could, once you get your QuickBooks Online for Accountants, you can set up your own home as an account, as a client per se, and you can do the bookkeeping for that, and you'll learn a lot doing that. So you'll put in all your bank account activity and credit card account activity. You'll classify it. You'll reconcile. So you'll learn how to do all that stuff. And again, like I said, we teach you that in my Learn, Start, Grow program. We teach you how to get that account, how to get it for free. It is free. It's kind of hard to find, but it is free. And we teach you how to use it. We teach you all the basics on how to use that. So you would be able to do your own your own books for your home, which has a lot of value in itself, where you can track how much you're spending on groceries, gas, everything else, your mortgage payment or rent and stuff like that. So very valuable. Another option is, let's say one of your friends has a small business. Most people have friends that have a small business, I would say. And if one of them does, you can ask them, do you have any bookkeeping? And are they doing it themselves? And a lot of times they'll be doing it themselves, and they probably don't like doing it. So you could offer to do it for them, and you could even offer it for free for a period of time, like say for 3 months, just let them know. Again, we're talking about friends and family. Okay, so you can do it for free for a couple months, and then if they like your services, maybe they can pay you something to continue doing it. You wouldn't want to do it for free forever, because the idea is that you get paying clients and actually make some good money doing this. But it's a really good way to get your feet wet, get some experience going, and it's kind of it's a win-win. It's a win for you, and it's a win for your friend or family member. So those are the 3 things that you can do that are super available to you to start gaining bookkeeping experience, because you can learn like all kinds of different stuff, but until you get really into the books of yourself or your friends or your family members' business, that's where you really start to learn. And then that what you learn from that experience carries over to other clients that you get in the future. So it's a win-win-win. So you're learning first. You might want to do the first one first, which is gain experience through the QuickBooks certification. And like I said, my Learn, Start, Grow course, which there'll be links below, you can check it out. That's really valuable information and training that you can get for a very small amount of money. And then you start to do your own books and do your friends and family's books, and then you're ready for for clients on the outside of your little bubble. All right, I hope that helps. Great way to get going, get over some of your nerves of how do I do this, and am I ready for this, that kind of stuff. You'll get over all that stuff by doing the books for yourself and your friends and family. All right, I hope this helps. I wish you a good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.